Dust fills the air as ranchers wrestle a steer on a hard-working American farm. Long before modern equipment, cattle handling demanded strength, skill, and teamwork. Moments like this were a regular part of rural life, where every day brought new challenges and every hand on the ranch mattered.
A lot of time and effort goes into creating videos like this, so if you're enjoying the content, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
Imagine building an entire barn without cranes or power tools. These workers balanced high above the ground, creating the backbone of a growing farm. Their craftsmanship and courage helped shape rural America, one timber at a time, leaving behind structures that often stood for generations. This rare family portrait tells a story of resilience. Standing outside their log home, these Americans faced tough conditions, but built lives through determination and hard work. Every weathered face reflects the sacrifices made to create opportunities for future generations in a rapidly changing nation. Before tractors became common, horses powered America's farms. Here, a farmer carefully guides his team across freshly turned soil. It was slow, demanding work, but it fed communities and built livelihoods. Every furrow represented hope for a successful harvest and a better year ahead. This remarkable scene captures the transition from traditional farming to modern agriculture. Machines began replacing manual labor, allowing farmers to work larger fields more efficiently. Against the dramatic mountain backdrop, this photo showcases the innovation that transformed American farming and increased food production nationwide. Harvest season often brought entire communities together. Men, women, horses, and wagons worked side by side to gather crops before weather could ruin them. These moments weren't just about farming. They strengthened bonds between neighbors and highlighted the teamwork that rural life depended on. This heartwarming image captures more than a harvest. It captures family tradition. Older generations passed down knowledge, values, and farming skills to the young. Through hard work and shared experiences, these families preserved a way of life that helped define rural America for decades. This family portrait offers a glimpse into everyday life during a challenging era. Despite limited resources and difficult conditions, families stayed united and persevered. Their determination laid the foundation for future generations, proving that strength often comes not from wealth, but from resilience. This incredible machine was considered cutting-edge technology in its day. Surrounded by horses and workers, it helped farmers harvest crops faster than ever before. Innovations like this changed agriculture forever, increasing productivity and helping America become one of the world's leading food producers. After long days in the fields, farmers took a moment to rest and connect. These men represent the hard-working spirit that built rural America. Behind every harvest was dedication, sacrifice, and countless hours of labor that often went unseen, but kept the nation fed and growing. Before engines ruled the fields, farmers relied on powerful horses like these. Every acre had to be plowed slowly, one row at a time. It was exhausting work, but this partnership between man and horse helped feed a growing nation and laid the foundation of American agriculture. This simple porch scene captures the heart of rural America. While the father worked long hours, family remained the reason behind every sacrifice. These small wooden homes weren't just shelters. They were places where dreams, struggles, and future generations were built together. This family stands proudly in front of their harvest, a symbol of months of labor and perseverance. Life wasn't easy, and success was never guaranteed. Yet families like this helped shape America through determination, proving that resilience often mattered more than wealth or comfort. Loaded with freshly gathered hay, this wagon represents one of the busiest times of the year. Every bundle stored meant livestock could survive the winter. Harvest season demanded teamwork, endurance, and long days in the field, with little time to rest. Across the vast American plains, ranchers spent countless hours watching over their cattle. These wide-open landscapes offered freedom, but also challenges from weather, predators, and distance. The cowboy lifestyle became one of the most recognizable symbols of the American frontier and rural heritage. This rare image shows everyday life on a family farm, A child sits in the foreground while adults work nearby, reminding us that farming was a family effort. From caring for animals to maintaining crops, everyone contributed to keeping the homestead running. Long before modern machinery, harvesting grapes required patience and countless hours of manual labor. These workers moved row by row, carefully gathering the crop by hand. Their efforts helped build the early American wine industry and supported communities that depended on agriculture for survival. Standing atop enormous piles of hay, these workers faced demanding physical labor every day. Under the hot sun, they stacked and stored feed for the seasons ahead. Every forkful represented preparation, ensuring animals would have enough food when winter finally arrived. This remarkable family portrait tells the story of settlement and survival. Living far from cities, pioneer families depended on one another for nearly everything. Through harsh weather, isolation, and hard work, they built communities that would eventually become towns and thriving regions. This fascinating machine represents a turning point in agricultural history. Combining human labor, horsepower, and mechanical innovation, it allowed farmers to harvest crops more efficiently than ever before. Technology like this helped transform American farming from small-scale survival into large-scale production. This incredible machine represents a time when agriculture stood between two worlds: horsepower and industrial innovation. Teams of horses pulled massive harvesting equipment across endless fields, helping farmers gather crops faster than ever before. It was technology like this that transformed American farming and changed rural life forever. Spread across the landscape are cattle, horses, and the people who cared for them every day. The windmill in the background was a lifeline, providing water in remote areas. Scenes like this capture the rugged independence that defined ranch life across America's vast frontier. If these images touched your heart, please subscribe and join us on this journey through the past.